Hello, my friends. This is Sherry. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome also to hashtag Thrifty Thursday. Yes, this is an open collab hosted by me, and anyone's welcome to join in with any kind of thrifty goodies that you might want to share on your YouTube channel. Just subscribe to my channel, link my channel in your description box, use the hashtag Thrifty Thursday, and make sure you put the little, pound sign or hashtag sign and then Thrifty Thursday, so people can find you with the hashtag in your title, and you are good to go. But let me show you what I got this past week. Let's start right here at the end. So I went to Walmart at the after Christmas sale. Just a couple days after. I didn't go like the day after, but I went a couple days later after Christmas, and everything Christmas related was 50% off. So I got the things I really wanted. I want to go back and see if they have anything left like a week later, and see if they have anything left, and see if they've marked it down further, because I'll show you the things I would like to get more of, but I didn't want to get more at the moment, and there was a lot of these particular things I got. So we'll see. I'm going to try to go by and see what they have left. But this is a little package of bows. I thought would be fun to use on different things. You could put them on a page, a pocket, a tag, the front of a journal, anywhere. I thought they would be very useful. I got one of these. Oh, this is Dollar Tree. Hold on. Yeah, I'm not at Walmart yet. This is Dollar Tree. So, actually, yeah, I went by my Dollar Tree, and their Christmas stuff was 50% off too, of course, after Christmas. So I got this at Dollar Tree. I think that's all I got at Dollar Tree. Oh, no, I got these two. No, these I got from Walmart. Yeah, so that's the only thing I got from Dollar Tree, Christmas related. And let's see, what else did I get at Dollar Tree? I did get these at Dollar Tree. I wanted to show you, I do get other things besides craft things at Dollar Tree. I got these, I noticed as I was serving and, hosting Christmas at my house, I noticed a couple of my hot pads or pot holders were getting a little grungy. So I thought, for $1.25, I can get two pretty new ones. And I like these because they're fresh and colorful. And so I did. I got a couple new ones, and I remember doing that last year too. So I'm going to eliminate the grungy ones. They're not worn out. Maybe I could use them for something else, but for $1.25, why don't I go ahead and get a couple fresh new ones, right? And so, okay, then let's go to, let me show you a couple things I got at the thrift store. I got this right after I got those two at the Dollar Tree. I found this beautiful pot holder. It had a tag on it, so it was new, never used. I had a tag on it. I thought it was beautiful. Look at that orange blossom tea. I tried to talk myself out of it, but it was so pretty, and it cost me hardly anything. So I'm glad I got it, because, it didn't cost hardly anything, and I have a pretty new pot holder. The tag was still on. I got the tag off. It was right up here somewhere. So, yes, very beautiful. And at the thrift store, I also got this. It's just a few pieces of cardstock, but they're new, and they're in plastic. So, this side is open, which I did not open, but, there's just a few in there, I thought, and they're colors that I like, so I thought why not, I could use them. So that's what I got at the thrift store, Dollar Tree. Now this is Walmart here, I believe. Let me see if I'm telling you the truth. Oh, I think I got this at Dollar Tree too. I just hadn't seen this pattern before, and they're smaller. They're not like lunch sack size. The length, they're a little shorter, and I like those, so I thought these would be pretty to add to journals or use for little goodie bags or whatever. So I picked those up, 14, and they are papery. They're not like the plastic. They have a lot of plastic treat sacks, and these are papery. Let's take one out and make sure, but yeah, they are papery. So that's what I like, the paper treat sacks. I don't really like the plastic ones. See, cute little, and they even have a little gusset in them. So isn't that adorable? And there's 14 in there. That's I think that's pretty good deal. So then I went to, at the 50% off at Walmart, I picked up these. They had a couple different ones, but these were, I think this is the only pack of these. I picked them up, put them down, a couple of different ones, and I decided I liked this one best because I didn't, like this added up to a little bit, not a lot, but you know, I didn't want to spend too much. So these were originally $2.28, so 50% off that. You know, and I knew you could get these at the Dollar Tree for either $1.25, or if they had any at 50% off, you could get them, but they didn't have any. They didn't have any tags or anything like this, these type of little tags at Dollar Tree left at any of my Dollar Trees. So I was glad I got these at Walmart, and they're really cute. They have this one with a little truck. I love this one right here, express shipping from the North Pole. I thought that was super cute. And, you know, little deer, and then there's, you know, double, 18 in there. So they're on both sides of this little packaging, but I thought that was super cute. So that was my favorite of that. And then I got these were my favorite out of the tags that were left. There were several different types. And, you know, these were just the cutest, I thought, out of all that were left there. This says approved. I hope I'm not causing too much glare for you. Let me turn it in a way you can see without glare. But approved Santa Claus original Christmas mail. And they're little, they have the strings if I want to use the strings, or I can add my own baker's twine or ribbons or whatever. But there are 8 in here, and I just thought these were the cutest things. I just love the lettering on here, and the different fonts, and just everything about it looks like a little sign type of thing. So I love that one. And I love this one. It was so cute. I couldn't believe it. It was still there. And I don't think there were hardly any of these, but this might have been the last one. But this was only $1.78, so 50% off that. And there's 6 in here. And they're little cups of cocoa, I guess. It's beginning to look a lot latte like Christmas. And so, yeah, a latte, I mean, that's coffee. So I guess it's coffee, but you could say it was cocoa. There's a little peppermint in there. And there's some snowflakes. And I have the strings already tied on this one. But I can always take them off and put some baker's twine on there or a ribbon or whatever. But I thought those were just the cutest thing. So I had to get those. And then, you know, I thought about my Christmas journals, my Christmas card journals that I made this year. And I did pick up those cards that I showed you at the thrift store. I showed you those a week or so ago, a few weeks ago, whenever that was. But I thought, let me go ahead and get these, because these were also my favorite out of the cards that were left. And there were a lot of cards. There's always a lot of cards, these packages, these Hallmark packages left. And in fact, I think I found these weren't with the Christmas stuff even. These were off over by the cards, and they were 50% off. I actually wasn't even sure because there was no sign, and they weren't with the Christmas stuff. I was like, well, are these Hallmark cards? These are Hallmark, right? Yeah, see, Hallmark. And I'm like, you know, to myself, I was like, I wonder if these are 50% off. There's no sign here. They're not by the Christmas stuff. So I just picked out my favorites and went up to the register, and sure enough, they were 50% off, because these are, I mean, I never buy these because they're $8, $7.97. So I never buy them new. I mean, I don't know. I just think that's kind of a lot for 10 cards. But I got them 50% off. So, you know, just say $4, round it up there, $4. And they're brand new. They come with the envelopes. And these were my favorites. So I figured, you know, it would be okay. And there's 10 in each one. So, of course, Snoopy. I love Snoopy. He's my favorite Peanuts character. Besides Woodstock, I think they might be neck and neck for a tie there, Woodstock and Snoopy. So, of course, this one had both of them on here, Woodstock and Friends here, and Snoopy. So I got this one to make Christmas journals with next year. I thought that would be super cute as a little journal, and the size is cute too. And I got this one with Snoopy, Woodstock, and Charlie Brown. You know, they're Lucy and Sally, I think her name is. Sally. That's Charlie Brown's sister, right? I think so. Anyway, Christmas time is here. They're ice skating, you know. You see that in the, I think there's a scene where they're ice skating in that Charlie Brown Christmas movie or show, whatever. So anyway, I thought those were two super cute. Hallmark Peanuts, you know, character type Christmas cards. And then out of the rest of the Christmas cards, these were also my favorite, and they were such my favorite that I got 2 of them. So, and it says warm Christmas wishes, and it has this pretty house all decorated with, you know, the Christmas trees. You got the snowman, a wreath, a Christmas tree in the window, Santa wreaths around these windows. You got lights here. I just thought it was the perfect card to make a Christmas journal, and it's also that same size as this one. This one's a little different size, but still a good size for a little Christmas journal or December journal next year or so. I will hopefully get a lot of these made next year, and in my shop. My plan is to start early next year, but that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed my goodies. Let me know what your favorite is out of the bunch of each category here: Dollar Tree, Walmart, and was that it? And the thrift store. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to search the hashtag Thrifty Thursday and see what other people are bringing home from their thrifty adventures. So see you later. Have a great day.